How are you?
My question is, will I survive what's been thrown at me lately?
And our answer is yes. You will survive what has been thrown at you lately. You would have to discuss more, be more specific in the way you ask questions.
Okay. I know I'm supposed to see something, but I don't know why this is happening to me. I had cancer and
You will survive this, yes. But you will begin to honor yourself more and more each day, every minute, every second of your life. When you honor yourself, when you honor your spirit, you value yourself. You say, I am worth it. I deserve to be here now. I deserve to be here now. Wouldn't you agree that you deserve to be here now?
yes, I thought I was doing okay. And this last year has been really hard. I thought I was a good person.
You are a good person. There is no such thing as a bad soul. There's misunderstandings. Misunderstandings. That is different. When you unbalance yourself or your physical body, which is made out of energy, which is how we mentioned before, you unbalance yourself with your thoughts or your choice of beliefs, you begin to unbalance your physical body. When you say to yourself, I don't deserve to be here, and you've been saying that for year after year after year, or I don't deserve to be, or I don't deserve to honor myself, I don't deserve to have, for year after year after year, you begin to shape that is called matter, that is also energy, but formed into matter. You begin to shape it. You begin to shape it, and the more you don't pay attention to what you're doing to yourself energetically, the more things begin to, as you call it, manifest themselves in the physical. So we tell you, go into your heart and begin to say to yourself in the mornings, or as you are falling asleep, or when you are driving, words of love, words of deserving, words that embrace you and that create warmth around you and for you. Because you matter. Every single one of you matter. Whether you bring this or that or that or that or that to the table. It is something that adds to this world. Every single one of you matters. No matter what it is that you're bringing forward. And so we say again, follow the path of your heart. What would you say if you had a child? What would you say to that child? How would you love her? How would you comfort her? What would you like her to see? What would you like her to receive? How would you treat her? Oftentimes, there is the inner child, as it is called in your words. We call them the invisible children, because to us they are just as alive as the children who are present here now. Yes, she is alive inside of you. And if she needs this type of love and attention, then you give it to her. It is healing. There are so many ways of healing. Not one modality is better than the other. You have to find what works for you. So what would your little girl like? Does she like music? Does she like to dance? Does she like to play? Does she like to read stories at night? How would you speak to her? How would you comfort her? How would you love her? She's alive in you. She's alive in you. Continue to have the support that you have at this moment and grow it if that feels good for you. Gather a group of friends or neighbors that can share the same views in life as you, that living in wholeness, having a different perspective in life, eating well just because it feels good. Not because somebody told you to, but because it feels good for you. Resting because it feels good for you when you wake up early and go to bed early. Read literature that makes you wonder more and more, that expands your mind. Listen to music that inspires you, and dance. Dance. Why not? Who said you couldn't? So go ahead. Who's stopping you? The only one that will stop you is the critical part of you. The one that believes you don't deserve. The one that believes that you, for some reason, must be either oppressed or kept aside. There's no one person in this world that is telling you you cannot. So surround yourself with people that you want to surround yourself with. People that encourage you and that you can also encourage in having a good, wholesome life, full of love and laughter and joy for yourselves, for each other, and for the world.